Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to my channel BALU Master. Today I am going to discuss Target COMEDK 2021 Number System Part 1. This is a topic which is the most important for COMEDK aspirants friends. In number system they are asking, usually there are two models. So model 1 is what is a units place and tens place, and model 2 is remainder of the problem. In this class I am going to discuss units place related questions friends. In the next session I am going to discuss as remainder related questions. Let us start our first question friends. The digit in the units place of 5 power 834. They are asking, if you expand 5 power 834, what is the units place number? Means for example, a number if you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the units place is nothing but 5 for this number. We are going to simplify in a shortest way friends. Let us see carefully. 5 power 834 can be written as. If you observe first of all 5 table, that is what 5 power 1 is nothing but 5. So 5 square is nothing but 25, means units place is 5. 5 cube is nothing but 125, that is what units place again 5. 5 power 4 is nothing but 25 into 25, that is what 625. Of course units place is 5. So like if you observe 5 power 1, 2, 3, 4, whether it is even number or odd number, you are getting units place as 5 only. So 5 power any number gives 5 only. That's what very easy friends. 5 power of course 834, the units place is 5 only. 5 is your answer. So and hence for this question answer is 5. Not all the questions we are going to treat by the way. So depends on the situation we are going to follow the particular sum friends. Now let us move to the next question. The digit in the units place of 4 power 323. If you observe here 4 power 323, 4 power 231, 4 power 3246. We are going to see one by one friends. So 4 power 323. First of all, if you observe 4 analysis. So 4 to the power of 1 is equals to 4. 4 square is nothing but 4 square means 16. 16 means units place is 6 only. 4 cube. 4 cube means this is 6 into 4. So 24. So 4 is units place. Again 4 power 4 you want means, so 4 power 4 means 4 cube units place is 4, and also into 4 you need to do. So 4 into 4 again 16. Like if you observe what happened. So again if you go for 4 power 5, so 6 into 4, 24. Again it repeats 4. So if you observe 4, 6, 4, 6 repeats. So by this observation what we can able to write? 4 power whenever follows odd number. 4 power whenever follows odd number, units place is 4 only. Units place 4 only. Whenever 4 power follows even number, units place is 6 only. Understand that answer? So power odd number means, so units place is equals to 4. Power even number means units place is nothing but 6 friends. So according to this logic you can able to simplify very easily the particular questions. Let us see here friends. 4 power 323, of course this is the odd number. Whenever odd number follows, the rule is 4. Next 4 power 231 given. 231 odd number. Whenever odd number, the answer is 4 only. Next 4 power 3, 2, 4, 6 given friends. Yes, this is clearly even number. Whenever power follows even number, the answer will be 6 only. So units place will be 6. You can able to simplify very easily this kind of approaches. Let us see multiple questions based on these models.
Let's move to next model friends. The digit in the units place of 7 power 23, 7 power 234, 7 power 233.
So 7 power 23 I need to find first. Look at carefully friends. We can able to write 7 power is nothing. So 7 square is nothing but 7 into 7, 49. Units place is 9. Now 7 cube you want means 9 into 7. So units place gives 3. So 7 power 4 means 3 into 7. Units place gives 1. So now you need to stop here only. Why? Because whenever 1 you are getting, your calculation will become very easy. 7 power 4 units place is nothing but 1 friends. That's what this can be written as 7 to the power of 4 whole to the power of I need to write. That is what you are going to write. So 4 5s are 20 into 7 cube. Then 5 4s are 20. 7 cube, 20 plus 3, 23. So and hence you are going to write 7 power 4 whole power 5. 7 power 4 units place is 1 only. 1 power anything 1. 1 into 7 cube is nothing but 7 cube units place is 3, and hence the answer is 3. 3 is your answer, friends. Let us move to next question, friends. 7 power 234 given. This can be written as 7 to the power of 4. Why? Because 7 power 4 units place. That's what I need to convert into 7 power 4 formation. That is what 7 power 4 into 4 and 8, 58. 7 power 4 into 58, that is what the power of 232, and hence into 7 square power 4 units place is nothing but 1. That's what 1 power anything 1 into 7 square units place is 9. This particular question answer is 9, friends. Let us move to next question. 7 to the power of 2336. This can be written as 7 power 4 whole to the power of 5 8 4 so 580. 1 power 4 units place is nothing but 1. 1 power anything is 1. So that's what 1 is answer for this particular question, friends. So by this approach, this kind of questions are very easy. Let us move to next question, friends. The tens digit of 1 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 7 factorial plus 10 factorial so on 17 factorial is what? Units place, then followed by tens place. Okay, they're asking now for this particular question tens place, friends. So tens place they're asking me is just to try to expand this factorization. 1 factorial is nothing but 1 and 4 factorial is nothing but 4 into 3 into 2, that is what 24, and 7 factorial is nothing but 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is nothing but 5040. So this can be written as 5040. If you observe very clearly, if you want to write 10 factorial means already this here 0 is there. If you multiply with the 10, no doubt at all, these two digits will become 0 only. Yeah, they're asking only tens digit. That's what you have to concentrate on, this digit only. So 10 factorial only gives this value as units place and tens place as 0 means obviously that continuation values also gives the same thing. That's what so you need to stop here only the calculation, and hence if you add 4 plus 1 5, 4 plus 2 6, something will be there here, friends. So if you observe, units place is nothing but 5 is the answer and tens place is nothing but 6 is the answer. Your question is tens place they're asking, friends. So 6 is your answer, friends. So for example, if they're asking units place means you can stop here only. Why? Because whenever you observe units place gets 0, then automatically the continuation factorial values also gives 0 only. That's what you need to stop here, and 1 plus 4 equal to 5 you can able to write directly the answer. These are the models which is related to units place and tens place in number system, friends. In the next session I'll come with a reminder how to simplify. So that's all for today's class, friends. Thank you so much, friends. Thanks a lot.